Hello, and welcome to Mark's Excel Tips. Today's video is the 7th in a series of 10 tips for charts videos. After going through these 10 charting tips, you'll be faster and more efficient than ever before. You can find the links to each of these 10 videos in the video description below. Let's get started. If you find value in this video, please give it a like to help others find our videos. Tip number 7. Use a secondary axis to create a combo chart. The chart below has two data series, sales and profit percent. But we need profit percent to be represented by a horizontal line on the chart, not a column. Select the chart below, and then on the Design tab, click on Change Chart Type. Then click Combo in the lower left. On the right, make sure the chart type for profit percent is set to line, and the secondary axis checkbox is selected. Click OK. The profit percent is now plotted with a line. Now you can compare the two series. For example, sales were low on January 3rd, but profit was great. Why use a secondary axis? When two columns contain different types of numbers, you'll want to use a secondary axis. In this example, the sales column contains dollar amounts, but the profit percent column contains percentages. Because the two columns of data are so different, using a combo chart with a secondary axis lets you compare the two columns with different chart elements, columns for sales, and a line for profit percent. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.